My name is Bharat. I am heading business for EPN Telangana for Akash Institute. About Akash Institute, it started 33 years ago and it is with 220 branches we have, and we have been very aggressive in growing up in Telangana. We started in 2013 with one branch, and today we are in EPN Telangana put together 24 branches. So Akash is an institute which more concentrates on application part. It more concentrates on giving exposure to students on various exams. Because what is important is in coaching or when you are writing competitive exam, not knowing the concept only, but you should know how to apply. So that application part at Akash, student really gets a good benefit because of the material, because of the kind of exams he writes, the variety of exams, question papers like easy, very easy, hard and tough based on the student responses. So student gets a good time to know his metal, he knows his time management, he knows which topic, how to be approached, and because he is exposed to n number of questions, there is every chance for him to do very well in NEET final exam. And that is what has happened, and that's what we believe. The same formula we are running, unlike the formula of lengthy hours of teaching. We actually believe on student on his own should understand, should expose to various questions, and thereby he will get an ability to perform better in competitive exam, and that's how he gets a competitive edge. So Akash believes in that concepts, and that in last 8 years in Telangana we have been doing it religiously, and we are very, very happy and proud that we have a brilliant academic team who understand students. As you you have seen that Mrinal in every talk he was saying about student is free. We give that liberty to think how to do it. We don't pressurize. We make learning fun at Akash, and that is the whole reason we have got now All India #1. Thanks to our academic team members, thanks to our colleagues who are working really hard day in and day out to get the best results. We are happy and proud to say that first time ever All India #1 rank from Telangana we at Akash Institute have got, and that is made because of the hard work of Mrinal preparing. We have currently 9 branches in Telangana and 7 branches in Andhra. So we are improving, adding 3 more branches. One comes at Kondapur, one in Apsiguda, one in Nizamabad in Telangana. In Andhra we are coming up in Guntur, Kakinada. We are coming up in Kadapa. We are coming up in Ongole. So totally we have 24 branches in AP and Telangana. So after partnering with Baiju, our expansion is really, really aggressive. So we want to go to the second category town and put the same education which we are now giving in the major towns also should be given to those category of cities. That is our objective.